Hello and good morning everyone. So today is the third trading session of this week. So let's get started with today's top stocks in news. The first one is Burgeon Paints, where the company's net profit is down by 1.6%. Revenue is up by 3.2%, but again EBITDA is down by 1.7% and margins are also contracted this quarter. It is reported at 15.9% versus 16.7% on Y&Y basis. The next stock is Birlasoft, where the company's net profit is down by 27.4% at 117 crores. Revenue is up by 1.5%, but again EBIT is down by 26% and margins are also contracted by approximately 4%, reported at 10.4% on a yearly basis. The next stock which you need to look at is IRCTC, where the company net profit is up by 13.7% at 341 crores. Revenue is up by 10%. EBITDA is also up by 5.7% and margins are reported at 34% versus 35.3%. The next stock which you need to look at is Vodafone Idea, where the company net loss is at 6,609 crore versus the loss of 7,175 crores on quarter-on-quarter basis. Revenue is up by 1.7%, EBITDA is up by 3.6% and margins are reported at 42.4% versus 41.6% on quarterly basis. Along with that, average revenue per user is at 173 versus 166 quarter-on-quarter basis. Debt from banks stood at 23.3 billion as on December 31st, 2024. The next stock which you need to look at is NBCC, where the company's net profit is up by 25%, revenue is up by 16.6%, EBITDA is up by 22% and margins are reported at 5% versus 4.8% on a yearly basis. The next stock is Ircon International, where the company's net profit is down by 64.4% at 86 crores. Revenue is down by 10.8%, EBITDA is again down by 49% at 132 crores and margins are reported at 5% versus 8.8% on yearly basis. The next stock is AstraZeneca Pharmaceuticals, where the company's net profit is up by 95% at 30 crores. Revenue is up by 44%, EBITDA is reported at 77 crores and margins are reported at 17.5% versus 4.9% on yearly basis. The next stock is MOIL, where the company net profit is up by 17.7%, revenue is again up by 20%, EBITDA is up by 6.4% at 95 crores and margins are reported at 25.9% versus 29.2% on yearly basis. The next stock is Marksans Pharmaceutical, where the company's net profit is up by 26% at 104 crores, revenue is up by 16.3%, EBITDA is again up by 4.2% at 139 crores and margins are reported at 20.3% versus 22.7% on yearly basis. The next stock is SAIL, where the company net profit is down by 66.5% at 142 crores. Revenue is up by 5%. EBITDA is again down by 5.3% at 2,029 crores and margins are reported at 8.3% versus 9.2% on yearly basis. So these were some of the stocks which you need to look at in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.